Hey, welcome back to the Roofer Proposal app. This is Jonas. And in the last video, I shared with you how to create a lead inside your app and how to manage those leads, how to import those leads, etc. Now we're going to turn that lead into a proposal and how to manage those proposals once you have them created. Okay? So now we click on, obviously, proposals, add new proposal button right here at the top of the dashboard. Either way, proposal name. Okay, so this is internal use only. That's for your use only. So let's say this is a proposal for a membrane system. Let's just take, for example, Troyer Websites needs a new roof. I just put myself in as a lead a little bit ago. So membrane system, Troyer, oops, I can't type. Troyer Websites, and then submit it to. Now here, the reason we did it this way is you can change here whether you want to submit this to the company name or to the contact name. So we can do either it's submitted to Jonas Troyer or it's submitted to Troyer Websites. However you want to do it, here you choose the lead. I'm going to choose that. It's going to automatically pull in the address from the lead and the city and the state and the SIP, whatever was submitted when the lead was created. If you have it, it'll be there, okay? If you don't have it, you can add it here, or you can change it here. Job description. So this is just a quick membrane system for Troyer Websites. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It does populate onto the PDF, the proposal, but you choose how you want that done. The date, you can change this. So let's say the proposals are automatically valid for 30 days according to the templates, the terms on the templates. So but let's say you don't want to send this one till tomorrow. You could change this to tomorrow or next week or whatever you want. But by default, it's supposed to normally be on the day you're creating this. I believe on the iPad version, let me actually go there. And by the way, if you click on proposals on the iPad, you would click on the plus sign at the top in order to go to new proposal. It would automatically, you click on the date, it automatically displays today's date, and you just hit done, okay? Very simple. The status is supposed to be automatically go to pending. For some reason on the desktop right now, it's not showing that, so just click on pending. This one shows pending automatically, and then template. So here we're going to use the membrane system and the steps, okay? So membrane 2. That was one of the extra steps I had just created a little bit ago. And the quote amount, so $124,567. I don't know. Whatever your quote amount is, now we're going to submit that. And let's say this is now, you got to click on proposals. We're back. We have a membrane system, Troyer Websites. Now you click on the proposal. And at the top here, you hit PDF or print, depending on what you want to do. If you want to just export it, you would hit PDF, okay? Now we have that proposal. Right now it's hidden, but down here's our export button. We would hit export, and it's going to download that PDF to the computer. Come on, there we go. It's going to download it. Right here it comes. And now I can, either go to my email app. I could email this to the customer. I could open it up on my device. I could print it. Whatever I want to do. Now let me show you guys what else you can do with this proposal. So if you have it, let's go back to the app. Let me go back here and refresh this. Now I have my membrane, the same proposal that I just generated here is here. 3 little dots in the corner, okay? Remember the 3 little dots is same as the more button up here. You can hit print, It's going to load the print preview page. And if you have a printer connected, you can then connect a wireless printer to your iPad device, whatever you're using, and hit print, and it'll print it. Same thing with here. I could do the same thing here on the computer if I have the printer connected, which I do, but I'm not going to print. You guys can figure that part out, okay? So something's wrong, okay? I want to change the price. Hit the pencil on here. You can change the price. Click on the proposal here. Hit edit. Do whatever you need to do. Or let's say you want to do another proposal. You could hit duplicate and change whatever you want. So let's say I want to do another one for the same guy, okay? Same customer. But now that I edit the other one, and I call this the, just call it roof repair, I don't know. And everything else is the same until I get down to this. You wouldn't have to enter it twice if you did it this way. And now we're going to change this to roof repair. And we're going to change the step to roof repair. Or we could do roof repair Joe Smith because we already had that one. And now the price is, you know, $25,000. I don't know. We hit update. Now we have a roof repair. We have a membrane system. It's, you know, both for this lead. You can see the date. You can hit email, okay? So currently, if you hit email, it will send an email to the customer if they had an email attached. That is legit, obviously. Since I put in a none@noemail.com, it's not going to go through if I click this now. But as of the time of this recording, if you hit email, it's going to send the details of the proposal, some of the details, and the price. But the PDF is not attached yet. So I need to get with my developer. We're going to get that PDF attached to that email. As of now, it's not there yet. So just export your proposal and then email it using your regular email system if you're going to email it until we get that changed, okay? Now, let's say this customer approves the proposal and comes back and says, hey, I want to go with the membrane system, not the roof repair. Okay, so I'm going to come here to the membrane system. I'm going to hit on approved. Now that has been approved, and this one I'm going to mark as declined. Okay, because we're not going to use the roof repair. Or if you want to, you could just click on it or check mark it here and delete it. Okay, if you wanted to. But I would say, I would probably, for me, I would keep it in there but mark it declined. Now, let's go to leads. This is still here, but customers, looks like we got an error going on right here. That's supposed to move the lead from lead to customer when it is approved, okay? So apparently because I declined one of them, it didn't do that. It's probably what it is, but it should do that. Also, if I go to jobs, it now moved that proposal right into my jobs. Okay, so jobs are here. You can see which basically this is your approved proposals. So approved proposals go into jobs, and then once you have those completed, you can mark them completed right here. So let's say this one's completed, this one is not yet. Okay. In the future, we're going to add a feature to this completed button. When this is triggered, it will send an email to the customer asking for a review. At this point, we don't have that set up yet, but that's coming soon. So I think that pretty much covers it. Pending, status automatically, approved or declined, and then completed. Once the project is completed, you can mark them there. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Go to the contact page on rooferproposal.com or shoot us an email to app@rooferproposal.com, or you can text our company number as well, or you can call us at the office. The numbers are on our websites. TroyWebsites.com has the number, and also rooferproposal.com has the number. So I think that pretty much covers it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next video.